Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you my new kittens I got a few weeks or months ago. So I'm going to show you them. So here is Tabby. She's just eating her tail, licking it, whatever. Tabby, Tabby, look. You're gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous. Look at me. Look at me. Look. Who's it? Who's it? Who's it? Look. Come on, go for it. Okay, we're going to see you soon. Mwah, mwah. I love you, my kitties. I'm gonna see you soon. Mwah. I'll see you soon. Right, now the other kitty is just chilling. Look, you're gonna be famous. What are you doing? Look. Look, who is it? You're gonna look at me? Look at the camera. You're going to be famous. So this is Tibby. He's the one who likes to sleep a lot. And the one over there is, the one over there is Tabby Lottie. Say hello. Say hello. Look. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Good afternoon. Right, I'll see you back. Let's quickly go back to Tabby and see what else she's up to. I'm gonna carry her. Gonna hold her. This is my baby. This is my baby. This is my baby. She likes her newspaper. And I like to kiss her. But she doesn't like me to kiss her. Look at the camera. What are you looking at? Sorry, my recording is bad. Right, you can go now. I'll see you later. Yeah. Where are you going to go next? Okay, you can go there. Say hi. No, you're not allowed on there. Get down, mate. You're gonna knock the giraffe over. I'll see you later. Bye, Tabs. Back to TV. Say hello. Say hello to my subscribers and other people. Ooh. Say hello. Hello. Right. Oh, she's sniffing the camera. Right. Say bye. Okay. And you say bye-bye? No? Okay. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.